Vivek for all the movers and shakers. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. After a while, a bit of a day where we saw red on the screen. So on the back of that, you actually saw the defensive pack. The pharma pack today, is the first sector that's on the radar. All of the pharma stocks, quite a few of them, in fact, bounced back quite sharply from the recent lows. Mankind Pharma, you did see a block deal over there, ended up as amongst the top gainers as far as the pharma pack was concerned. And towards the later half of the session, Syngene too picked up pace. The last are seeing some buying activity. The next stock on the radar was MGL. We had the management on our channel, some positive commentary coming through there, and also, the street expecting some excise duty cuts that will go ahead and aid further volume traction. On the back of that, stock ended higher by almost 3%. The third stock on the radar, one stock yesterday that saw a bit of a cool off, but RVNL, some order win activity there, MOU signed as far as the going ahead and doing some railway work in the Middle East. The stock ended higher by almost 13%. The next set of stocks that we'll talk about a lot more depth later on, but also the insurance pack. Insurance premiums, have been hiked, and the entire pack today, on the back of this CNBC-TV exclusive, actually went higher. HDFC Life almost 1.5%, ICICI Prudential too. The next stock, again, on the back of a CNBC-TV18 exclusive, was the entire paint pack. Price hikes over there after quite some time. Asian Paints higher by over 3%, and Indigo Paints too almost 10% higher in the session today. But there were quite a few losers as well. Top of the list, of course, was M&M. Price cuts over their biggest single-day fall that Mahindra and Mahindra saw almost in the last 4 years. The other stock on the radar, in fact, was IEX. IEX, saw quite a bit of selling pressure amongst the top laggards in the FNO space, also one of the top laggards in the NSE 500 as well. Along with that, today you did see some selling pressure both in exchange stocks like BSE as well as MCX. The entire fertilizer pack, that also cooled off quite significantly today. Names like FACT, RCF Chambal, all of them cooled off. And lastly, steel pack, the entire metal sector was under pressure, especially in the last hour as well. SAIL amongst the top laggards, down over 3%. Domestic steel prices are under pressure as per Kotak Institutional Equities.
All right, thank you very much, Vivek, for that.